Mexico has shattered its glass ceiling. Claudia Sheinbaum Pardo is the first woman to be elected president of Mexico. This is a historic victory. It marks a turning point in Mexican history. Sheinbaum's presidency represents a triumph for women. It is a testament to the power of perseverance and hope. Sheinbaum's journey to the presidency has been marked by both triumph and adversity. She has overcome numerous obstacles. She has defied expectations. Her unwavering commitment to social justice and equality has inspired millions. Her victory is a beacon of hope for a brighter future. This is a new era for Mexico, an era defined by progress, equality, and inclusion. Sheinbaum's presidency carries with it the aspirations of a nation. It is a nation yearning for change and a better tomorrow. Claudia Sheinbaum's journey to the presidency is deeply rooted in her passion for knowledge and social justice. Her academic background in physics and environmental engineering provided her with a strong foundation. It instilled in her a deep understanding of complex systems and a commitment to finding sustainable solutions. Sheinbaum's scientific career has been marked by excellence. Her research on energy consumption and climate change has earned her international recognition. She has published numerous articles in prestigious scientific journals. Her work has made significant contributions to the field of environmental science. Driven by a deep sense of social responsibility, Sheinbaum transitioned from academia to politics. She believed in harnessing her knowledge and skills to serve the people of Mexico. Her political career began in 2000. She served as the Secretary of the Environment for Mexico City. As Secretary of the Environment, Sheinbaum demonstrated her unwavering commitment to creating a more sustainable and equitable city. She implemented innovative policies to improve air quality, expand public transportation, and promote renewable energy. Her tenure was marked by significant achievements in environmental protection. It laid the foundation for her future leadership roles. The 2024 Mexican general election was a watershed moment in the country's history. It was marked by both hope and unprecedented challenges. The specter of violence loomed large, casting a shadow over the democratic process. Drug cartels, emboldened by years of impunity, sought to influence the elections through intimidation and violence. They targeted candidates, political rallies, and even ordinary citizens. The situation demanded a leader who could stand up to these forces of darkness. It required someone who could inspire hope and confidence in the face of fear. Claudia Sheinbaum emerged as a beacon of hope in these dark times. Her campaign resonated with millions of Mexicans who yearned for change, security, and a brighter future. She refused to be cowed by the violence. Instead, she confronted it head-on, promising to restore the rule of law and bring peace to the country. The election results were a testament to the courage and resilience of the Mexican people. Despite the threats and violence, millions turned out to vote, determined to exercise their democratic right. Sheinbaum's victory was a resounding mandate for change. It was a clear rejection of the violence and corruption that had plagued the country for far too long. Section 4. A vision for Mexico: progress, equality, and sustainability. Claudia Sheinbaum's vision for Mexico is rooted in the principles of progress, equality, and sustainability. She believes in creating a more just and equitable society. This means ensuring that all Mexicans have access to quality education, healthcare, and economic opportunities. Sheinbaum is committed to tackling poverty and inequality. She plans to implement social programs that provide a safety net for the most vulnerable. She also aims to create a more inclusive economy. This means supporting small businesses, promoting innovation, and creating jobs. Sustainability is another cornerstone of Sheinbaum's vision. She understands the urgent need to address climate change and protect Mexico's natural resources. She has pledged to invest in renewable energy, promote sustainable agriculture, and protect the country's biodiversity. Sheinbaum's vision for Mexico is ambitious, yet achievable. It is a vision that has resonated with millions. Her presidency represents a unique opportunity to build a better future. It's a future where all Mexicans can thrive and prosper. Section 5. A beacon of hope, inspiring generations to come. Claudia Sheinbaum's historic presidency is a watershed moment for women in Mexico and around the world. Her rise to the highest office sends a powerful message that women can break down barriers and achieve anything they set their minds to. For young girls across Mexico, Sheinbaum's journey is an inspiration. It shows them that they too can dream big and pursue their passions without limits. She is a role model for a generation. She embodies the values of perseverance, determination, and leadership. Sheinbaum's presidency is a testament to the progress that has been made in the fight for gender equality. However, much work remains to be done. Sheinbaum has pledged to use her platform to champion women's rights. She will work towards closing the gender gap in education, healthcare, and the workplace. Sheinbaum's legacy will be measured not only by her accomplishments in office but also by the countless lives she will inspire. Her presidency is a beacon of hope for a more just and equitable world. It's a world where girls can grow up believing that they can achieve anything they set their minds to. Section 6. A global impact. Mexico's leading role on the world stage. Claudia Sheinbaum's presidency has the potential to reshape Mexico's role on the world stage. Her vision for a more just, equitable, and sustainable world resonates with a global community facing unprecedented challenges. Sheinbaum is a vocal advocate for multilateralism and international cooperation. She believes that global challenges require global solutions. She has pledged to strengthen Mexico's partnerships with other nations. These partnerships will focus on tackling climate change, promoting sustainable development, and addressing global inequality. Mexico, under Sheinbaum's leadership, is poised to become a leading voice for developing nations. She understands the unique challenges they face. She is committed to advocating for their interests on the global stage. Sheinbaum's presidency marks a new chapter in Mexican history. It's a chapter filled with both challenges and opportunities. Her commitment to progress, equality, and sustainability has the potential to transform not only Mexico, but also the world. As she embarks on this historic journey, the world watches with anticipation and hope.